Hi friends, it is time for math. Remember yesterday when we were making numbers to 10 with our rainbow? We're going to go ahead and do that again today. As I'm making the rainbow, I need you to go ahead and get out your red and yellow math pieces, your math blocks, because we're going to use those today, okay? So we have our rainbow. I'm just kind of switching the sides, the colors here, to get all different colors of the rainbow. And so now I'm going to do green, and then I'm going to do blue. And so then we're going to fill in the colors. This is number 1 and number 9. Because when we put 1 and 9 together, we get 10. And then we're going to move to green. And we know it's a number 2. The number before 9 is 8. So now we know if we put 2 and 8 together, then we get 10 again. So we're going to do the same with yellow. We know the number after 2 is 3. And we know the number before 8 is 7. We know that 3 and 7 make, you guessed it, 10. Now we're going to do it for orange. And we know the number after 3 is 4. And we know that 4 and 6 make 10. Very good. The last color we got here is red. We know the number that comes after 4 is 5. And we know that we always make 2 of the 5s on our rainbow. So we know that 5 and 5 make, you guessed it, 10. So this is our rainbow to 10. We know that if we follow if we follow the blue one all the way over, 1 to 9 is 10. We follow the green one over, 2 to 8 is 10. We follow the yellow one over, 3 to 7, that is 10. 4 to 6 is 10, and then 5 to 5 is 10. We're also going to look at it a different way today. So I asked you to get your blocks out earlier, and I want you to put 3 blocks in front of you. My blocks are going to be red and blue, but I want you to use red and yellow. So put 3 red blocks in front of you, and we need to figure out how many more to get to 10. So right now you have 3, and then you're going to go 4, 5, and you can even make it in a 10 frame because that'll help your brain be able to recognize the numbers. So I know I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I look at this, I know that I have 3 and 1, and 3 red ones, and then I'm going to count to see how many blue ones I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know I have 3 reds and 7 yellow ones. And I know that 3 and 7 make, you guessed it, 10. 3 and 7, when they're put together, make 10. Let's do another one. So this time I want you to put 6 red ones in front of you. Remember, if you do it like a 10 frame, it will be helpful, but you don't have to. So now I have 6 in front of me, and I need to figure out how many more to get to 10. And we're going to see 1, 6. Then I'm going to go 7, 8, 9, 10. So now my 10 frame is full. I can look over here and know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue ones. Oh no. I have 4 blue ones. So I know that 6 and 4 make, you guessed it, 10. And I would also know that by looking because my 10 frame is all the way full. So then let's do another one. We'll do one more and then I'll have you do one on your own. The one you do on your own, I'm going to have you take a picture of and send in for your math homework for today. So let's go ahead and put 2 on there. Now we need to figure out how many more we need to get to 10. So we're going to put the blue ones on there and we're going to treat it like a 10 frame because that'll help my brain remember the numbers. So I'm going to go 3, 4, 5. And I know a 10 frame only has 5 in each row. So then I'm going to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know this looks like a 10 frame because there's 5 in each row. And then I'm going to mark it on here with the blue that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should have the 2 red in front of you, and then you should have put 8 yellow blocks. When you do all of that, you have 2 and 8. You put them together, and then you're going to have 10. Okay, we're going to do one, and I want you to do it on your own with the blocks. And when you're done, have mom or dad take a picture and then turn it into your math work for today, okay? So you're going to do, we'll do 7. We're going to do 7 red ones. We have 7 red ones. And then we need to figure out how many blue ones. And remember, we're just going to fill in the 10 frame. And actually, I'm going to stop doing the blue ones because I want you to figure it out on your own. So we have 7 red ones, and I want you to figure out how many yellow ones you'll need to put on your blocks to figure out what number 7 goes with to get to 10. If you have 7, how many more do you need to get to 10? Show me with your blocks and then take a picture. So I'll repeat it one more time. You have 7. You need to show me with your blocks how many more you would need to get to 10. If you do it in a 10 frame, that'll really help your brain. Bye-bye, friends. We'll do more math tomorrow.